I am Mr. Rem Salbaco and I'm delighted to be the master of ceremony tonight. I am honored to be part of this memorable event. It's a pleasure to see all of you here tonight as we celebrate the achievements of this year and welcome our new set of officers. Ladies and gentlemen, esteemed guests and members of the chapter, we now come to a very special moment as we honor the outgoing 2024 chapter officers. As they take their final march together, let us recognize their hard work, dedication, and the countless contributions they have made throughout their term. Each officer has played a vital role in our achievements and growth, and their leadership has set a strong foundation for the future of our chapter. Please join us in showing our appreciation as we welcome the outgoing officers for the processional march. Let's give them a round of applause for their service and commitment to our organization. Ladies and gentlemen, it is now time for the processional march of our esteemed officers. As I call your names, please make your way to the front and take your places. First, let us welcome our executive officers. Engineer Eli C. Ganancian, President. Master Ramil C. Almeda, Vice President of Internal Affairs. Herbert B. Akupan, PEE, Vice President for External Affairs. Engineer Joseph Alan O. Bautista, Vice President for Technical Affairs. Engineer Marcelina E. Rodelas, Secretary. Engineer Renato M. Austria, Treasurer. Engineer Jimuel S. Madarcos, Auditor. Now let's acknowledge our Board of Directors. Engineer Nahimias Baniki. Engineer Thomas Paul I. Torres. Engineer Sanimar Bautista. And Engineer Renato R. Herediano. Next, we honor our immediate former President, Engineer Pete S. Belga. Finally, let us recognize our staff and area coordinators. Rolando R. Lugto, our Executive Secretary. Anthony B. Hanyola, RME, Business Manager. And Master Erwin C. Villahermosa, Public Relations Officer. And Master Roberto D. Viana, Coordinator Area 1. Master Nestor R. Nacionales, Coordinator Area 2. And Master Brian M. Cafe, Coordinator Area 3. Ladies and gentlemen, please join me in giving a warm round of applause to all our officers as they take their places.
Picture.
And special mention to our former Rolando Panganiban. Let's also welcome our former 2022 Foreign Region Governor, Mr. Engineer Jerin Hala. Again, let's give them a round of applause, please. Hey, smile. Thank you so much, officers. And with this, I just want to welcome everyone to the induction of officers and year-end party of the Institute of Integrated Electrical Engineers of the Philippines, Incorporated, Northwestern Region Chapter, Saudi Arabia, with the theme IIEE at 49, Transformational Leadership Towards Sustainable Development and Global Recognition. May I invite the outgoing officers to please take the seats here in front.
Take the seats.
The outgoing officers, please take the seats here in front. Thank you. Yeah, we have a lot of chairs here in front.
Doon daw sa harap.
Yes, the discharging officers. Thank you so much.
Sakto na natin na bro.
This evening, we have come together to carry out the most important activities of this organization. The installation of new officers and year-end party. We are so excited about the potential our organization has for further growth and development under the new leaders. At the same time, this is the occasion for us also to recognize those individuals who have served as officers for the past years. Under their leadership, IIEE has reached its excellent shape and ready to achieve new heights in the years ahead. To begin with, may we request everyone to please rise for the invocation and the Muslim prayer to be led by Engineer Banarin Abdul Karim, and the singing of Philippine and Saudi national anthems to be followed by the IIEE hymn and IIEE mission and vision. May I invite everyone to please stand up.
May papasok pa?
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين الرحمن الرحيم مالك يوم الدين إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين آمين. ربنا آتنا في الدنيا حسنة وفي الآخرة حسنة وقنا عذاب النار. الحمد لله رب العالمين.